Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Hannani and we are from BA118 for CA. First of all, I would like to introduce my team members. The first member and a group leader is me, Hannani binti Mohd Rizalman. The second member is Khairu Zikry bin Khairu Radzi. The third member is Nurul Asiqkin binti Mohd Yusri. And the last member is Nurul Syamimi binti Mohd Salfuldin. Today we will be discussing about Chapter 9, which is Cybercrime. As we know, technology has a very positive impact on people, but some of the impact could be negative. But first, what is cybercrime? Cybercrime, or also known as computer crime, is a criminal offense that involves a computer and a network. The computer may have been used in the commission of a crime, or it may be the target. Cybercrime may harm someone's security and financial health. There are a few types of cybercrime such as malicious programs, denial of service, rogue Wi-Fi hotspot, data manipulation, identity theft, internet scams, and cyberbullying. The first type of cybercrime is malicious program, or also known as malware. A cracker is a computer criminal who creates and distributes malicious programs, or malware, which is short for malicious software. Malware is specifically designed to damage or disrupt a computer system. In other words, software is identified as malware based on its intended use, rather than a particular technique or technology used to build it. The three most common types of malware are viruses, worms, and Trojan horses. First common type of malware is virus. Virus is a program that migrates through networks and operating systems and mostly attach themselves to other programs and databases. Although some viruses are relatively harmless, many can be quite destructive. Once activated, these destructive viruses can alter and/or delete files. Next one is worms. Worm is a program that simply replicates themselves over and over again. Once active in a network, the self-replicating activity clocks computers and networks until their operations are slow and stopped. Unlike a virus, a worm typically does not attach itself to a program or alter and/or delete files. The last type of malware is Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a program that cannot reproduce itself but masquerades as something the user wants and tricks them into activating it so it can do its damage and spread. Trojans are generally spread by some form of social engineering, for example, where an user is duped into executing an email attachment disguised to appear not suspicious, or by clicking on some fake advertisement on social media or anywhere else. The most common types of Trojan horses appear as free computer games and free antivirus software that can be downloaded from the internet. Where a user installs one of these programs, the Trojan horse also secretly installs a virus on the computer system.
Next type of cybercrime is malicious hardware. Criminals use computer hardware to steal information, infect computers with malicious software, and disrupt computer systems. The most common malicious hardware include zombie botnets, rogue Wi-Fi hotspot, and infected USB flash drives.
As you can see at the slide, this is the common type of malicious hardware. The first one is zombies are computer infected by a virus, worm, or Trojan horse that allow them to be remotely controlled for malicious purpose. In computing, a zombie is a computer connected to the internet that has been compromised by a hacker, computer virus, computer worm, or Trojan horse program and can be used to perform a malicious task of one shot of another under remote direction. Botnet of zombie computer are often used to spread email spam and launch denial of service attack (DOS) attack. Most owners of zombie computer are unaware that their system is being used in this way. Because the owner tend to be unaware, these computers are metaphorically compared to fictional zombies. A coordinated DOS attack by multiple botnet machine also resembles a zombie horde attack as depicted in fictional zombie film. The second one is infected USB flash drive. USB drive can hide viruses and other malicious software. Cracker will abandon this drive in the hope that others will find them, plug them into their computer and become infected. And the last one is route Wi-Fi hotspot or free Wi-Fi networks are available almost everywhere. This route network operate close to the legitimate free hotspot and typically provide stronger signal that many users unsuspectedly connect to. For example, most people don't think twice before connecting to a free public Wi-Fi hotspot at a coffee shop, airport, or hotel. If someone is providing free Wi-Fi, users will usually connect first and think later. With route Wi-Fi hotspot growing in number, it becoming much more critical to monitor connectivity. To monitor connectivity. So, how does an attack work? Victims that connect to route hotspot will usually have no idea that they are in danger because the attack used familiar and trusted SSIDs network name. The entire experience can be relatively transparent to the victim. In some cases, the connection might be a little slower than usual, but that's about it.
Moving on to denial of service. A denial of service attack attempts to slow down or stop a computer system or network by flooding a computer or network with requests for information and data. These requests can come from a single computer issuing repeated requests. Widely used today is a variation known as distributed denial of service, which coordinates several computers making repeat requests for service. Internet scams is a fraudulent or deceptive act or operation to trick someone into providing personal information or spending money for little or no return. Internet scams have created financial and legal problems for many thousands of people. There are also four common types of internet scams. Number one, chain letter. Chain letter is a classic chain letter instructing recipient to send a nominal amount of money to each of 5 people on a list. Second, advance fee loans. Advance fee loans is a guaranteed low rate loans available to almost anyone. Number 3, vacation price. Vacation price is a free vacation that has been awarded. Upon arrival at the vacation destination, the accommodations are dreadful but can be upgraded for a fee. And number four, auction fraud. Merchandise is selected and payment is sent, but merchandise is never been delivered.
What caused data manipulation? Data manipulation is an unauthorized access of a computer network and copying files to or from the server. It involves changing data or leaving blank messages. Spreading information without personal consent leading to identity theft. What caused identity theft? Identity theft caused the illegal assumption of someone's identity for the purpose of economic gain, and stolen identities are used to steal credit cards and mail to commit other crimes.
So, at the last slide is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place over digital device, a form of bullying or harassment using electronic means such as the internet, cell phone, or other device. It occurs through SMS, text, and apps or online in social media. It includes sending, posting, or sharing negative, harmful, false, or mean content about someone else. Among the cyberbully, tactics are creating a mean or hurtful web page about someone and doxing over online gaming, next lies and false accusations, also nude photo sharing. So stop cyberbully, you can change it.
The conclusion is cybercrime is indeed getting the recognition it deserves as internet technology advances, so does the threat of cybercrime. We must protect ourselves from cybercrime by using cybersecurity programs. It is important to understand the tools the cybercriminal uses to harm its victims. Knowledge of these tools will help us make smarter choices and protect ourselves from becoming a victim. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a nice day.